Welcome to our channel. If you want to connect your Ring doorbell to Alexa for voice control and notifications, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Ensure your Ring doorbell is already set up and working properly through the Ring app on your smartphone before attempting to connect it to Alexa. Step 2. Open the Amazon Alexa app on your smartphone or tablet. Make sure you're signed in with the same Amazon account you used for your Ring device. Step 3. Tap the More button in the bottom right corner of the Alexa app to access additional menu options. Step 4. Select Skills and Games from the menu to access the Alexa Skills Store, where you can enable integrations with third-party devices. Step 5. Search for Ring in the search bar at the top of the Skills and Games page. Select the official Ring skill from the search results. Step 6. Tap Enable to Use to activate the Ring skill. You'll be prompted to log into your Ring account to authorize the connection. Step 7. Enter your Ring account credentials and grant Alexa permission to access your Ring devices. This allows Alexa to control and receive notifications from your doorbell. Step 8. After successful authorization, tap Discover Devices in the Alexa app, or say Alexa, Discover Devices. Your Ring doorbell will now appear in your Alexa device list, and you can control it with voice commands. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.